Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, July the 30th, 2021. Yes, almost weekend, end of the month. And yeah, today we have no speed test because it's not the first Friday of the month, but the last Friday. So next week we will do a speed test, not with the Sudoku Heavy, but with the Sudoku Light. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 3172. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. 1 star 27, 3 stars 25, 4 stars 24 printed digits. For 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, that's my time limit. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 7 and a 5 in the third column. 7 and a 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes, 7 and a 5. All right. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes in the middle row. Here an 8, no 8 in that box, so one box left for the 8 should be there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first row. 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 6, 9 and the 2 are missing, 6, 9 and the 2. We see here the 6 and the 9 in the last row, so no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in the first column for the number 2. Alright. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. 6, 9. Alright. And now, 3 missing numbers in this row, the middle row. Those numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. So one digit left in the middle row for the number 9. Alright. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only two places for the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes and the 3 in this column. We have a 1 and a 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1. Let me mark those two boxes, alright? Then. All right. One. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means in the first row we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then 9, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah. Let me think. 7, 8, 9, 8. I'm thinking. 4. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. Well, actually 5, but those 2 we have a pair, 2 and a 6. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Alright. We have a pair. 5 and the 4 in the first row. 5 and the 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 and the 5 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. The other pair in the third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the numbers 8 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and the 9. Here, the other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 and the 6 are missing. Alright. These 2 missing numbers in the second row are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. Alright, a lot of pairs. Okay. Then. 2, 3, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Or in this row, the first row. Here we have 1 and a 6. So the missing numbers here are the 2, the 3, and the 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have in this column 2 and a 9. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Alright. Okay. Well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. I'm thinking 8. Yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 5 and an 8 in this row. So no 5 and an 8 in this box. The 5 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 2. All right. 2 2. Then 6. 4 6 and 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7. Look, we have a 4 and a 6 in the last row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. Alright. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be an 8. Alright, 8, 8, 9, 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and a 6. These two boxes in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7 and 8. 5 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 5 and 8. Alright, so what are those? 3 missing numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3, 6. And the 7 is missing, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 here and 6 there, so no 6 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. Alright, 7, 7. Let me see. Alright. 4, 5, 1. Yeah. 6, 3. Interesting. Let me see. 7, 7. Let me put some numbers. 3, 3, 3. I'm thinking 5 and 8, 7 and 8. Where are the 7s? The 2. 2, 2. Yeah. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 could be here, could be there. Same for the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Alright, 7 and a 2. Okay. So 8, 8. Let me see. 5, 7, 2, 9. 9. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there, because those two numbers are the 2 and the 7. All right. Yeah. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. All right. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the last row. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box, the last number of this big square is the number 8. Yes, 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers are 9 and 3. 9 and 3. In this row, yes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 6, 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Correct. It's a 2 stars. 17. I need to solve this between 15 and 20 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, the other puzzles in the additional. So thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday. And we will meet again later on in the evening. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow. And it's weekend. Yes. Have a great day. Bye bye.